Right, Josh? You, brother. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Put my socks on. Good morning, Ayomo. Yes, Kenny, yes. Yeah. You guys are missing out on like future streams though. Missing out a lot. So like when we hop off some days, we do future streams in Discords. Yeah, like in the voice channels. You guys are ow. Ow, 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 ow. Anyways, speaking of which, speaking of which, oh Queen, who are you laughing at? No, I hit my leg on the table, my knee on the table. Nonsense. Good morning, Justin. Queen, good morning. Josh, good morning. Mo, good morning. Kenny, good morning. Bob, good morning. Jay, good morning. Bunny, Emer, good morning. The kids, good morning. Dave, good morning. Lynn, good morning. Nightbots, suck it. Good morning, Mon. Good morning, Gail. Maestro, what's up? What's up? Good morning, guys. Where's Peter? I have no idea. Peter is sleeping. Up 25%. Yeah, I saw the sound has done well this morning. I'm not sure why. I think it's because. Oh, okay. It seems like they had news 20 hours ago, so it must have been from last night. So first, ChatGPT enabled voice assistant in Japanese vehicles. That's cool, isn't it? Interesting. Very interesting. Lazy pizza. Hey, yo, Kimbella, good morning. Hmm. Anyways, those glasses have a. You don't know what to do anymore. I mean, you're green on that position. Happy? Hello. So you can take money if you want, right? You're green on that position, which is good. KULR had news this morning. The stock has done really well. It's losing some of those gains now, though. Sleeping? Yeah, those sleeping. So when we do these future streams, Dan is there, Joe is there. Virus has been busy lately, so yeah, exactly, Koto. So you can take profits if you want. Reddit has been on fire. Right, $46 yesterday, all the way to $70 last night. Well, 69 something, and this morning it dipped and then it's coming back again. So I'm sure we're going to be talking about Reddit a lot today, right? Um, Seems like a lot of people are wanting $75 for Reddit, so we'll see if we get there. OPGN has done really well this morning. It's retesting the highs again. These guys had news earlier, and that's the third time we're testing 91 cents. So OPGN, hopefully it breaks one of these times. And then the other one that's been interesting is the I'm not sure if it's on TradingView yet. Yeah, there it is. Finally, $63. The Trump media stock, right? So resistance at $65. If it can break above that, maybe we go for 70 as well. It looks sus. I mean, it's done well this morning. Just be careful at $91, 91 cents, and you should be fine. Yeah, there you go. DJT Sky. Thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you. I appreciate that. So there you go. We shall see if that thing again breaks above $65, Sky, from the sky, and then go from there. So well, since he sent that super chat, it's gone from 63 to 64. So high five. Chefman, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. Bonjour, bonjour. Bonjour, bonjour. Anyways, Bitcoin looks good this morning too. It's going for 71, which is nice, right? So again, we talked about this over the weekend, right? We break 68 and rally on back to the highs, please and thank you. Send it, right? So did BTC pump overnight? Not really, but it had a rally. Um, I wouldn't call that a pump, but for some reason my TradingView charts are like sleeping. There we go. Right? This thing rallied all the way to 70, 71.6, and then came back down. Well, good morning. Right? I think when we left yesterday, we were just playing with the 70. So for sure, some money's gained. Alrighty. So again, if I look at a different time frame here for BTC, let's do the 4 hour. Um, so the reason why we kept talking about that 68 level. So let me scroll down a little bit here. Yeah, so these are 4 hour candles, right? It did such a good job holding above like 62, 62, 62. The only thing that it had to do was close these candles above that 9 EMA for me, and the kernel and the 20 and other stuff, and then go boom skis, right? So once. Good morning, Jeff. Hello, 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 hello. So yeah, for now, if you look at these 4 hour candles too, though, it looks like Bitcoin has been failing all these candles at 70. Well, like failing to close the candles above like 71, 71. Let's call it 71.3, right? But what looks nice here though is how they're giving you these beautiful higher lows, right? beautiful higher low since 64,000 on the 4 hour, right? Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So yeah, we're stalling a little bit on these 4 hour candles at 71,300, but it's still consistently giving us higher lows. So it's gonna need to break out of this range, and then we're looking for the supply zone. We'll be looking for all-time highs again, right? Maybe I should move this little white line here to the top here actually. I know why it's there. It's because it's 70, and 70 is a psychological level, something that but yeah, so if we break above this and we close above that, and then bye bye, right? New highs, right? Right. Don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, guys. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Smash. Let me 1 second. I'm just deleting one of these here. Nice, Greg. 72 cents. OPGN. Congratulations. Review Hub, what's your position? If you have a question, just let me know. I'll take a look at anything. Just let me know what your position is. I promise. Alrighty. There goes OPGN. Ooh, look at that thing go. Right. So it finally broke above that resistance. Third time the charm. Right. Triple top breakout. 91 cents. Boom skis. $1 test. So congratulations if you're holding that, because that thing just said bye bye. Bye bye. See you later. Bye bye. Anyways, let me quickly update the stream here. OPGN, RDDT, uh, T, and then la 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 la. Do 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 do. Let's see. OPGN. Is that the name of the thing? Yeah, I think it is. KULR. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, levels posted in Discord. Yeah, all these levels are posted in Discord. The review hub, right? For STOK. Just let us know what you're asking for. If you say, "Look at this," I'm like, "Okay, what am I looking at? Like, what's the question?" I don't know. If you're in a position, you're trying to sell it, you need an entry, you need an exit. I have no idea. So help me out. Help me help you. Basically, alrighty. Help me help you. Nah, you'd be surprised how many times people are like, "Oh, look at this stock," and then I'm like, "Oh, here's support, here's resistance, here's the level I'd be buying at." They're like, "Oh no, I'm short the stock." I'm like, "Okay, thanks." How the hell do I know that? So help me out. Anyways, moving on. OPGN. So obviously, when you get to a dollar, there's always resistance, and so let's see if we can stay above the nine, or just go back and retest that 91 cent level for OPGN. Alrighty. Um, Let me skip some of these here. Reddit is going back to 60, 60, almost 68 into the open. So again, there's a lot of resistance once we get to 68.50ish, just because we stalled at that level, closer to that level in like last night. And this morning, that's the double top we have, right? If you look and you see these little gray lines at the top, that's Reddit, 68.50ish. So that there's going to be some resistance there. And then let's look at Donald Trump. I mean, we need to call it a different name now. Uh, so, anyways, DJT, right? Merger completed, name change completed. Uh, yeah. Where's Kevin? Kevin has been yeah. What number do I sell at, Dustin? Dudson. Well, what did you buy at? Right, there's resistance right there. So we've been talking about this 65, 65, 65. Dudson. Right, since pre-market, it's been well. I mean, since pre-market, but it's been failing at 65 quite a bit here. Uh, DJT, right? So this would have been a level for you to say, you know what, I want to take profits. If you're going to take profits, this would have been the level at the top, because it's shown you that it's failing here quite a bit, right? All morning it's been failing at $65. So that would have been your exits. Again, I'm not sure where you bought this thing at, and stuff like that. So please be entry. Yeah, we should make Nightbot prompt with yeah, I should do that, Josh. I'll do that actually. Yeah. Would you be looking to buy Luna ads? Let me take a look at Luna. Luna, yeah, BTC is still there. Let's see here. Is Luna green or red this morning? Luna, um, hmm. The level to buy Luna was $5, close to $5, right? So if you look at this demand zone, see this green zone at the bottom here. This is anywhere around $5. This would be the level. So if you, especially if you're looking to hold Luna long term, maybe just wait for that thing to sell off a little bit. Um, or again, you can just dollar cost average, right? If this is a long term play for you, you can just dollar cost average. What I like about this today, though, is that all day yesterday it stayed above $6, 610. So if this thing can stay above 610, this might be your first in, like your initial buy, right? And then if it decides to crash, and then you can add lower, you can dollar cost average, right? But so today I would be watching that $6 really closely. Stay above six, stay above six, stay above six, please, 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 and then go back up, right? Isn't sleeping? No, virus is here. Virus is looking for Tesla puts though, is what he's looking for. Uh, yeah, exactly. DJT, $65 for anybody that's holding Truth. The these specs. Yeah. The good thing for now though is that maybe we form a higher low and we trend up. We stay above 61, hopefully. OPGN is doing a good job staying above that 9 EMA. So if you're holding this thing, congratulations. Um, Alrighty. Let me take a look at Tesla. 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 Tesla is at 178. What happened to Tesla though? Tesla did some things overnight. Tesla did some things overnight. Tesla had a gap up. Why? I'm not quite sure why it did that, but it had a gap up. But then again, you can't really question Tesla too much because it's at the bottom when everything else isn't really, you know. So yeah, Tesla cooked. Yeah, Tesla cooked overnight, which is nice. We're no longer at 168, you know? Come on, Tesla, get above 180. Like, what the hell? Elon needs to say something. We keep saying this, but Elon is too busy trying to save the people, save the people from disaster. Anyways, moving on. So yeah, we can keep track of this. The S&P SPY is also kind of gapping up this morning. It's not a huge gap up. It's a dollar. It's $1.16. We're actually selling off into the open. We have 10 minutes before the market opens here, but not bad. Not bad, not bad. Right? The markets to me seem a bit exhausted, but obviously we don't dip, right? Yeah, it's bridging, isn't it? Right? Obviously we don't dip these days. We just go right back up and right back up and right back up. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Again, I think the expectation is that we don't really dip until the Fed decides to pivot and cut rates, right? Until they actually do it. Maybe that's in June. The markets will just keep pushing and pushing and pushing, and as time goes on, like these market expectations, from like analysts, just keep going higher. It's like, oh, 540. Oh no, 580. I mean, we might as well start getting price targets for 600 for the end of the year. Crazy, isn't it? At some point, though, oof, we're gonna dip hard. But then the question though is like, okay, do we go to 540, 550 before that happens, and then we dip back to 520, and then we continue to 600? You know. So I think we're living in different times. Different times. I think if people look around and they're like, oh wow, COVID happened. Yes, there was a war that happened. Yes, and the market dipped. And yes, we're back to all-time highs. Sheesh. Okay, where are we going now? What's you know what I mean? Why would you be scared of a market dip or market retracement at this point? Nobody is, right? People will always panic. People are gonna buy the dips though. What are the levels? Well, the main level for now for DJT is that $65, right? So we've been failing at $65 since this thing opened earlier pre-market. 65, 65. Look at that, right? Look at these candles right there. Earlier this morning, 65. And then fast forward, we went to 64 and then came back down, back to 65 again, right there, and then came back down, and then back to 65 and then came back down. We're going for 64 now. We're pushing back up, but that main resistance is 65. Once we break above that, give us 70, please and thank you. Immediately. So medical Inc. That would be so 65 again. I'm not sure what your position is. Let me know if you're in it. Then we can talk about it more. But it's going for 65. Look at that, 64.20. Right, slowly pushing up, slowly pushing up, slowly pushing up. This the best short opportunity in the market. DJT short, perhaps, perhaps. We'll see. Perhaps. Uh, yeah. The fact that it's his initials. Yeah. DJT. When I saw the name, I was like, wow, 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 wow. Look at that, DJT 6430. Yeah, again, you should expect all these names to sell off at the open anyways, as usual, right? Um, please. I smell what? Some of that in his legal situation. Dude has monies though. I mean, just his stake alone in this company is worth billions, 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 and then he has to pay a fine of what, 175 million. Let's say 200 million. I think he just crossed into like what's that number again? There was a stat that came across my phone yesterday. Something that he just crossed into like the 500 bracket for the richest people in the world. So yup, he doesn't. I don't think he's really worried about the monies. If he's like, please help me, I need 170 people would donate that to him. So, yeah, he just dropped as exactly, Josh, exactly. Eric, oh boy, yeah. Hey, obviously, if Trump loses, this stock is gonna get slapped in the face, and on the foreheads, and the butts, everywhere you could think of. Yeah. For every 1250, he's net. Look at that, right? For every 1250 increase in DJT stock, his net worth increases by 1 billion. It's madness. He has such a huge stake in this company. Yeah, I didn't think it was that much, but it's a lot. Paige, good morning. Focus, good morning. Eric, good morning. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's because most of these guys have assets, Eric. Like most of the money's is assets, right? When we talk of like Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk and uh, Warren Buffett, most of it is just like assets in companies and things like that. So which is how like it should be. These guys have no value for cash, right? If they give you that much money in cash, like what are you gonna do with it? So it's always like, yeah. Heading into a ninja, let's go. Yeah, the future streams have been fun. Hey yo, Ahmed. Hello, hello, hello. It was good chatting yesterday. Let's go. So into the open again. Let me quickly look at the pre-market gainers list here, and then we should be good to go. Again, I would appreciate it if you could smash a like before we get to the open. I would really appreciate that already. So take a second and smash a like, and then we're done with it. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. If you're not a member yet, become a member. If you want to come join us in Discord, you're missing out, by the way, if you're not in Discord. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Become a member. Come join us in Discord. Annette, ayo, good morning. Share the link as well if you want to. But yeah, the future streams in Discord have been a lot of fun, right? So let's go back to DJT. Oh my goodness, look at that. Sheesh, look at that pump. It just broke above 65. That thing said, who is gone, skis? Damn. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It reached $67. Yeah, again, just be careful though as we go into the open. It actually pushed all the way to 68, 68.25. Right? AOOB. Here comes 68 again. If you're holding DJT, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes if you're holding this. Monies. DJT. La, la, la. Uh, la 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 la. Let's go. You've had it for ages. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. I was waiting for the dip. I know, right? Eric says, hell no. Well, there goes new highs of the day. So this candle pushed all the way to 68.80. Again, be careful, please, as we get into the open. Um, Chances are you get a sell off. Josh, I do. Mark, good morning, right? As we get into the open, chances are people are going to take some profits, right? The good thing is you have those $50 calls. Nice. The good thing here though is that maybe some people won't be able to buy this yet or sell it yet because it just did a name change. That's the thing with these SPAC and SPACs, these SPACs especially, is sometimes your broker doesn't let you sell it immediately, or does you don't have access to sell it immediately. So maybe, right? Look at that, $69. Surprise! Not right. So let's see what happens at the open. If you see this thing selling off at the open, though, don't panic. Well, you shouldn't be surprised that it's selling off because some people are going to take profits. But it's going, though. Look at that, 69.69. I should have taken a screenshot of that. Oh my goodness, we just hit $70, guys. We just hit $70. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Sheesh. Is going. Look at that, 71. Oh my goodness, Eric. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. DJT. They pump all the way to elections. Yeah, that would be nice. That would be nice. How much time do we have? We have 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Squeeze. Yeah, the puts. Yeah, if we rally all the way into elections, regardless of what happens, right, win or lose, I think you got to sell off at some point. You're in a long, too long. Okay, two longs. Let's see what happens. Let's make some monies today, Joe. Monies, monies. Good morning, Troy. Uh, as a political statement, it is, isn't it? It is. The fact that he was able to use those initials is pretty impressive. DJT. It's like he's like, I'm the captain now. Who's gonna stop me? These. That's who's gonna stop me. Who's gonna stop me? These. Actually no. Let's not do that. Yeah, looks like we're bouncing there. Good morning, Mike. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, that thing. Every day, my brother. Let's go. He has Musk buying. Yeah, Trump. But Elon did say he wasn't gonna give him any money, but also Elon tweeted saying something about we need a red wave, otherwise the country is in trouble. So you never know. You want to know how much? Like I bet you. Oh, look at that open, guys. Oh my goodness, 72, 74. Oh my goodness, $74. Sheesh. Let's go. 74. Here we go. That thing said dip who where. You can dip these. So and there goes your dip skis. The spread is crazy. It's all over the place. We just went from 70 back to 73 in 2 seconds. My goodness. You added one more, Joe? Okay. One more long. Oh, look, 78, guys. 78. Oh my goodness. 78. Again, congratulations if you're long this. Congrats. Oh my goodness. That's impressive. Look at that. So high of the day so far is 78.80. 78.80. You added another long, Joe? Okay, sounds good. Send it, send it, send it, Joe. Send it, send it. And look at that, right? From 78 back to 72, 73. You're going to have to try really hard not to FOMO. Yeah, some brokers don't have this, right? It's a brand new D-SPAC. So not all brokers will have access to this. Not all the brokers. Let's see, let's see, let's see. La 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 la. Edit, edit, edit. Mm. There we go. Interactive Brokers has it. Look at that, $65, guys. Look at that. We're retesting that 65. Is it halted down? Are we halted down here? Yeah, we're halted down. It's halted down. So, I mean, people had to take profits at some point, right? Also, think about it. This is the retest of the breakout. Your broker has it, yeah. Some brokers are very bad when it comes to, when it comes to like these SPACs and IPOs. Some of them take a long time to actually like give it to the people. But again, people had to take profits at some point. Like we're not just gonna go from $60 to $80 to $90 to $100 without profit taking, right? So, yep. Hopefully, as we push up like this, you have a stop loss, right? If the damn thing is at $78, if this damn thing is at $78 and you don't have a stop loss, uh, somewhere close, then I don't know what to tell you, right? You can't just sit there and watch it and then like, oh, but it's gonna go to $1 million, right? So you have to make sure you have a plan. This always happens at the open as well, right? And we say this every single morning. Anything that's pumping immediately at the open scares me because you know it's gonna drop at some point every single time, right? So that's almost why you want that sell off at the open because then you have the bottom in and then you can start running. But obviously, this had too much momentum, right? So, good God, that's quite the drop, though, isn't it? My goodness, my goodness, that's a nice bounce there, Joe. Did you add more? Yeah. What's the S&P at? So the S&P is bouncing this morning. So Joe's smiling, smiling, Joe, smiling, smiling. Ooh, that's a nice green candle. It's a really nice candle. Let me pull up. Yeah, and I'm just gonna leave the S&P for now. Very similar to what ES and all the other things are doing. So you do have a little bit of resistance there, though, at the 200, Joe. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yep. Never mind. Four. Okay, you're in three. Okay, you added another one. My goodness. Okay. Over the last couple of months is in a great spot regardless. Exactly, Josh. Exactly. So what's Reddit doing? Reddit is actually selling off at the open as almost expected. Gap ups offer selling, right? People take profits at the open on these gap ups, right? So let me pull up. Good morning, Ray. Good morning. GNS. Okay. GNS is bouncing. Yeah, 44 cents. Yeah, not bad. Are you gonna go back into this thing, R7? And then the other one that we looked at this morning was KULR. That thing is selling off at the open. Surprised? No. Right? Resistance, resistance, resistance. 45 cents. So sell off. Again, 9 out of 10 times when we get to the open, things will sell off. There's always the one case that things rally immediately at the open, like DJT, right? For the most part, though, everything will usually sell off. This is a STOK. STOK is like, okay, you know what? I'm not gonna sell off. Um, so that doesn't look too bad. The OPGN is selling off hard at the open. So sell off, sell off, sell off. 65. That's the bid and the ask, Troy. So we're still at the same price basically. Then it's not too bad. Not bad at all. Looks like we're bouncing off a demand zone here though for Reddit, right? So solid demand zone at $63, and then a bounce. So when we get to the open, like if you're not sure what to do, just sit on your hands. Sit on your hands and just wait, right? If you're like, oh my god, everything is so crazy at the open every single time, just sit on your hands and wait. Luna, ooh, let's go, Lorenda. Yeah, Luna looks nice. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I have a feeling that, at some point, if Luna doesn't screw this up, Lorenda, by exploding rockets or by doing offerings, Luna seems like a cool thing, right? Like, if I can hold the levels, STOK is pumping to $13 if you're in this. Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it? So your next resistance is 13 to 13, like close to so 1290 to 1310 is your resistance range then. First target 50 cents. Okay, nice. Yeah, that's a really nice pump. Yeah. It will do well over time. Yeah. Yeah. Reddit still playing games here, and we're waiting for DJT to get unhalted. Give us the unhalt. Yeah, no, I think Luna is cool. Hopefully, it doesn't lose all the gains like it usually does, Lorenda. But yeah, it's cool. You don't have access to stock anymore. Is there a problem? No, there's not a problem. It's a DSPAC. They've done a name change. Sometimes your brokers need a few hours, they need a day to say, oh, there's a new ticker symbol, there's a new number, there's a new this. Sometimes it takes a day for them to do that. It shouldn't. A lap is at 90 now. Oh my goodness. I bet your mark is scalping that. Yeah, CGC looks like it's a. Annette, are you green on CGC? You should be green on CGC. Well, you should be. You should be like getting back to the upside at least. Right. A lamp. You added another one. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. Looks a bit interesting there. Is that a yes, Annette? The bid is 71. Oh yeah, look at that thing. It's gone. 72. 72. Just like that. It's like, wait, what? You think we were going to 65? Yeah, right. Again, what do you think happened here, guys? What do you think happened at 65? That thing just dropped to 67 to 66 and then back to 67. Sheesh. What happened to DWAC? DWAC has done a name change. So DWAC is a SPAC, right? They've now so again, a SPAC is a company that has cash in the bank, and they're looking to spend that money and acquire another company and then change the name to a real company. So DWAC was a cash company. They had nothing, nothing other than a lot of cash in the bank, right? So now that they've merged with the real company, right? Now they changed the name and now they're an actual company. So the new ticker symbol is DJT. So DWAC is now DJT. So, anyways, so let me. I just want to. I was gonna ask a question. What do you guys think happened at $65? What do you think happened? Let me know in the chat. What do you think happened at 65? Why do you think we dipped to 65 and then bounced at 65? At least for a second. Why do you think we bounced at 65? Somebody tell me in the chat. Why do you think we went to 65 and then bounced for now? Even if we go below 65 in the future, why do you think we bounce to 65? We'll acquire cash. Na 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 na. We'll go higher. Support. Kind of, because hot trade's FOMO, right? So we talked about this in the morning, right? Like we kept failing on 65, 65, 65. We go to 65, we crash. We go to 65 and crash, right? Exactly, right? That was a breakout retest, right? We struggled at 65 for 2 hours, and then we break out all the way to 78, and then we come back to retest. Exactly. Psychological level breakouts or support, right? So, and then it's bouncing. Tesla's at 181 now. Oof. Ooh, let's go. Exactly. Breakout retest is basically what happened at 65, right? We might go below that level at some point again in the future, but for now, people seem to be buying off that level because that was the level. You guys are such good students. Yes. Right? And we say this all the time, like whenever there's a breakout, there's a retest. And whenever there's a breakout, there's a retest, right? So Reddit also came back to that demand zone. Look at Reddit bounce. Reddit is like, bye guys, I'm going with DJT. See you guys on the moon. Or not. We're at $68 now. There's a lot of resistance at 68.50 for Reddit RDDT, right? But it looks nice, right? So you want to see more examples of breakout retests, guys? Let me see if I can show you a few here, right? So this was Reddit yesterday, right? Look at Reddit, right? We kind of looked at this on a one-on-one, right? So look at that break. This is resistance. Obviously, we have a lot of resistance there, right? Fast forward, this is the breakout right there on the right-hand side. Guess what happens? We come back for the retest right there, and that becomes the base. Send it. That was Reddit yesterday, right? So yeah, more often than not, when a stock breaks above resistance, if you don't feel like buying the breakout, you can just wait for the retest. Just wait for the retest. You don't always get a retest. That's the problem, right? Don't always get a retest. You know what's crazy is Reddit is at 69, DJT is at 69. They're both at 69. 69, 69. Somebody message Pablo and tell him 69, 69. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, meme magic. Meme magic. Magic. Choo, choo, choo. So did I hear 69? There he is. There he is. Well, DJT is at 69. Pablo's been spamming DJT quite a bit in Discord as well, right? So we can't really say we missed this because it's been spammed a lot. You know how everybody has like a call sign, like if you post something in the chat, they're gonna show up. Yeah, for Pablo, just spam number 69, he's gonna show up. For Josh, just say anything about BTC, he's gonna show up. say hey say hey Josh, BTC, and he's gonna be like, wait, where let's go. Did I someone say BTC? Let's go. Yep. Dang it. My order failed to fill on ES. Are you kidding me? And then it pops. Damn it. Where was my order at? Right there. How come it didn't fill? I'm gonna fight somebody today. So Reddit just broke 70, guys. Reddit is on fire. Okay, I'm gonna have to cancel that now. So I don't come back and screw it up. Oh my goodness, look at Reddit. Sheesh. Today's gonna be crazy, isn't it? Today's gonna be wild. Wild. Love it. Yeah, so that's a good reminder there. Look at that, 72. 70, we're going for 73, guys. Reddit. So there've been a few spams in Discord about like the people buying options wanting $75 for Reddit. So that's kind of been the idea price, that the price target, 75, $75, $75, $75. So I guess we're going to $75. If you're holding Reddit, type in yes in the chat. Are you kidding me? Look at that. We missed my order, and look at that green candle on ES. No. What? My goodness. There goes 73.50, $74 incoming. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. 75.69. Let's go. And there's $74, guys. 74.40. Oof. My goodness. My goodness, Reddit. Yes, Kenny, congratulations. $65? Yes. That's a nice run. So, I mean, technically, we almost hit 60, 75, right? That's what these guys wanted. They wanted that 75. They were buying a whole bunch of calls the other day for $75. So, be careful with 75 then, right? Because that might be a tough level to get above. So, if you're FOMOing at the top there, just be a little bit careful, please. DJT is back to 71. Donald Trump, you're out at 72. Well done. Congratulations. Congratulations. Who knew we could make monies with crazy high stocks? $70 stocks, you know? One contract, you're nervous? Yeah, no, you should be green though. So you should be green. Should be green. Sorry you didn't buy Reddit at $34. Why are you sorry? Why are you sorry? Anyways, there goes Donald Trump again. $73, guys. My goodness. Little dipskis and then boom, dipskis and boom. Also, Reddit never went to $34. The lowest Reddit has seen so far is 45, 45, 45, 34. That's the lowest it's been. Luna is back to 650, guys. Ooh wee, ooh wee, Luna. Ooh wee. I want to see Luna back to, like, in the double digits. I want to see Luna back all the way up there. And then what's Tesla doing this morning? Dang, Tesla's at 183 now. I want to see 200 for Tesla. 200, I tell ya, 200. Robinhood after at 34, yeah. But if you got into the pre-IPO, you most likely got like one share. Yeah, Fun is not having not having DTT Fun. No, it's not. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, Josh. Yeah, we never saw below 40. Reddit said nope, no thanks. The lowest you get is $45. I'm asking too many questions. Yeah, the only question I want to know is how my order didn't fail though on ES. And as soon as it missed it, it went for the biggest green candle it's had today. Unbelievable. It was a double bottom. I wanted that double bottom. Yeah, MSTR is floating with 19. What a beauty. What an absolute gem. Anyways, there goes DJT. So we're back to $74, right? And there it goes. There it goes. 74 dollars and 75 going once, 75 going once, 75 the 75 going once, and Peter just FOMOed. And of course 75, there goes 75, 76, 76, 77, 77, 77 going once, going once, there goes 77. Josh just FOMOed. 70, 77, 78, 78, 78, and yeah, exactly, Josh. 34 on they got one share if you wanted Reddit for 70 74, yeah, for 34, yeah. The man's gone crazy. Give me 80 going once. Anyways, so that's a double top though. So closer to 78 is a problem because we failed there this morning and then dipped all the way to 65. So the retest though was beautiful, right? That 65 retest, beautiful. And the consolidation, beautiful. And yeah, now we just need to clear that 78 and then go for you don't like these candles? I mean, honestly, again, just be careful around 78 to 79 because it's a double top, right? This thing is going to be wild. When it comes to levels, it's going to be tough, right? A lot of it is going to be momentum. Luna just dipped like a fat dip there. What the hell happened with that thing? Reddit is also holding the 90 EMA, which is beautiful, right? So highs of the day 74.80, 75 dollars. So that's going to be our next breakout. I just made $1,000 in 10 seconds. Ooh wee, ooh wee. Come on, let's go. Show me the monies. Well done. Show me the monies. Let's go. Anyways, is I might be able to come visit without getting arrested soon. Let's go, Josh. Yeah, we need to go to the mountains, Josh. To the mountains. Yeah, we need like a Canadian trip. Oh yeah, those puts are gonna be expensive. Those puts will only get cheaper, Eric, if this thing continues to pump, 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 pump. Um, and people give up on the puts. Yeah, you should, Josh. You should. I could early retire if I switch my entire portfolio from NVDA to well, I don't know about that, but anyways, again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. I would really appreciate that. Would really really appreciate that. Um, Alrighty, it's free and it really helps. Alrighty, so take a second, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you want to become a member, come join us in Discord because you're missing out. If you're not a member, you're missing out, right? You might look at DJT now, but it's been getting spammed in Discord, right? Pablo has been non-stop spamming. Alrighty, so again, if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Become a member. Come join us in Discord. Come join us. Make sure you sign up for the right level though. Discord community, legend or goat. Come join us. Anyway, so yeah, Reddit is dipping. We're gonna have volatility like this, up and down, up and down, up and down. DJT again, that double top, right? There's a double top at $78 to $79. Be very careful, right? Be very careful. So, Alex, did you look at trade ideas in Discord? Go look at trade ideas. All right, Pablo's been spamming these Trump links in there, and yeah, I think also because he joined. You joined. When did you join? Yesterday. Yeah. uh, Sorry to disappoint. He's very lightweight. Yeah. Well, I don't drink at all. So I thought was listed in 2021. 2021. What was listed in 2021? DWAC. DWAC was listed in 2021. Yeah. KURL, good morning. Hey, yo. Ooh, Tesla looks nice. This is the day that Tesla needs to go up like $20. Just keep pumping it. Unbelievable. Oh, what are you talking about? You're not talking about alcohol? Carl, are you back from vacation? You back? How much coffee you had? Oh, I don't drink coffee. The only thing I've had today is like half a well water. That's it. That's about it. Just water. Uh, CGC. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Read my previous comments. So needy, pizza. So needy. Read my previous comments. Meh 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 meh. Kidding. You're holding Tesla calls? Yeah, Tesla looks amazing. Tesla's like 183. Amazing. It's pumping. Tesla's gonna be $1,000 and I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. It seems like I've had so much coffee this morning, doesn't it? I promise I haven't had coffee. I promise. Where are you now? Where are you now? Hey, it's been too long. La 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 la. Anyways, um, yeah, Eric drinks in the morning because he works at night. So let's go back to DJT here. So obviously, again, we hit a double top at $79, right, for the Trump stock. So we're gonna need to break above that level for new momentum to kick in. Just call me needy. Sorry, Peter. Sorry, sorry, sorry. I promise. I haven't had any sugar this morning. No coffee. This is just my regular morning energy. I promise. I'm a morning person. So, anyways, so it always seems like anyways, moving on. So we're just kind of waiting for our DG for DJT to give us some new levels, right? So hopefully we can stay above the kernel or just stay above $70. Um, and for Reddit, again, Reddit is done really well, but it's dipping now. So let's see if we can stay above the retest. So anywhere around $67. Let's see if we can stay above that and then go back up. That's quite the dip, though, isn't it? Wow, from 75 to 67. It's quite the dip. Anyways, it's not normal. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I don't know what I could possibly be complaining about. Sammy. Yeah, this guy works out and runs out of energy after 2 hours. Oh, be quiet, champ. Uh, if it stays above 70 means it's bullish still. Yep. DJT. Yeah, I am. I agree. Are you in those Tesla calls, Gary? That's why your Discord wasn't working because your membership expired. That's why. You're like, oh, I lost everything in Discords. It's because your membership expired. Anyways, ooh, look at Luna. Oh my goodness, Luna looks nice. We're back to if you're holding Luna again, type in yes in the chat. Just a question. If you're holding Luna, type in yes in the chat. I know some of you guys have taken Luna now as like, oh, Luna's my favorite long-term investment now. My favorite long-term investment. 6. My favorite long-term investment. Yes. Um, 740. I wanted at $13 and then break out to $50. Yeah. Yeah, quite a few of you guys are holding Luna. Yeah, Lorenda, yeah. Yeah, Luna is going to become an interesting play as long as the company doesn't screw it up. I think it's going to become interesting. So there goes highs of the day. There goes highs of the day. You got stopped out, Troy? Okay. I mean, yeah, it looks like we're my goodness. You should have that. I mean, you might have bought lower, so then you set the stop loss lower. Again, this is another example of why we love the blue line so much, right? As soon as we went below the blue line, the 9 EMA, it was a problem immediately. So maybe at some point, if we can reclaim the 9 EMA, and then it becomes a good play again, right? Trump is just holding $70. I like how we're calling it that. It's DJT. It's not meant to be called Trump. So, anyways, we're gonna call it Trump a few more times, though. But into crypto, to hang out and than anything these days. I play an occasional day trades, passive income. No, exactly, Josh, exactly. Any thoughts on can it break $80? See, now everybody's calling it Trump. What's your position? Are you in the stock? Um, Let me know. Is considered a reliable company or a scam? Everything is considered a scam. Even Tesla is a scam. If you bought Tesla 250, Tesla scammed you. If you bought Tesla 200, it scammed you. Everything is a scam, honestly. Everything is a scam. Uh, if you bought DWAC at $80 a year ago, that thing went to $10. It was a scam until today. So everything is a scam. Oh dang. ES is pumping. I had that order at the very bottom and then it missed it and then it went straight up immediately. Like that red candle, I put buy the bits and it went straight up. Mm, yeah, very annoying. So everything is a scam depending on your price target. It's still a scam. So yeah, you're in at $75 for now. So you're in DJT at $75, hoping we hold 70 and push to 80. Okay, sounds good, right? So if I was in your position, I would worry about setting a stop loss now at a good price. You know, whether that's 69.99 or 69.69, or something. Put a stop loss at a level that you'd be okay with a loss, and then go from there. Don't worry about yeah, don't worry about like where a stock is potentially going to, because no one can ever tell you that. We like how it's holding 70 for now, and hopefully we go back up. But that's something that's completely out of your control. Yeah, exactly. So, good morning, Richard. Life is a scam. Get used to it. Life is beautiful. Will give me a gambling addiction. Yeah. The more you play with it, though, maybe just use smaller positions. Your name is Swedish. I can't seem to pronounce it because you have like eyes on top of the O. Um, you have a thing on top of your O, so I can't pronounce your name. Sorry. Anyways, do we like Daniel? Do we? We is one of those words where like. Anyways, are you? What's your position, Daniel? Let me know. I'll take a look. You're still bag holding? What are you bag holding? The fundamentals are a different planet than the price, Eric. Yeah, that's just how the market has become, though, right? Think of the S&P. Yeah, like it has eyes on top of the O. Yeah, Luna looks nice. Luna went all the way to 670. Yeah, Luna's done really well. Apple is a scam. Again, everything's a scam. Just depends your entry. Anyways, so here we go retesting $70 for DJT. What indicator do I have? This is called the Bull Bear Algo. So members can buy it, uh, but it's the coolest indicator. You should become a member. Come join us in Discord. Sign up for Discord community, Legend or Gold. Sign up for Legend. Come join us in Discords. Again, if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Justin, the Nightbot link. Come join us in Discord because you're missing out. We're gonna hop off in like what is it, 2 hours? Less. And then we're going to be in Discord, so chatting. So come join us in Discord. So by the way, the indicators is like the indicator tells you, right? So you see that green line at the top there? That's the indicator telling you that this is a double top, right? You see this little red box right there? It's telling you that hey, there's supply here. Please be careful, right? You see this? You see this little red circle? That's the indicator warning you that hey, you have a problem. Red, red, red. So look at the green circle. Look at that beautiful green circle. It's telling you, hey, look at the green zone, right? It's saying demand zone. People buy at a demand zone, right? Look at this green circle. Green circle, boom, 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 boom. Anyways, moving on. So a DJT had some warning signs from a double top to a supply zone to a kernel cross, right? And then sell off. So that's why we like the indicator because it makes it a little bit easier to read stuff, right? A little bit easier. Uh, you brother. Yeah, everything is a scam if you buy at the wrong time. Everything is a scam. So if you look at stuff that way, follow me for more financial advice. Yeah. So here we go, retesting the bottom of maybe a double bottom at 60, closer to 66. We'll see. Reddit is also dipping. Well, Reddit actually dipped and bounced off the 200. Again, Daniel, I that's not a question. Let me know. Give me some details. Let's check KLG. Are you in it? Are you looking for an entry? Are you uh, up 30% in 1 week? But what's your question though? Right? It's only a scam if you lose money, right? Yeah. No, 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 no. Because it basically scammed you. You're the target. Somebody made money. Somebody made, if you lost money in something, somebody else made money, and they're like, hee 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 hee. I made money. Hee hee hee. And then you're like, what? This was a scam. And they're like, nope. Here we go to the ice cream store. Hee hee hee. And then you're headed to the bridge. I'm kidding. Kidding. Looking for a good time to pull out. Not sure if it's pumping or if it's at the peak. Okay, good. I'll take a look. KLG, sure. Uh, Killock. What did you buy at? What did you buy at? So I mean, this is not a good time. This is not a bad. It's not a bad like time to consider taking profits, Daniel. Right? If you look at the last 2 days, it's been stalling just below $20. But this chart looks beautiful. You bought $20 calls. Okay, like it looks beautiful, right? If I was in this thing, I would just make sure that it doesn't go below 19. Right? That's it. Just don't let it go below 19. Right, also consider when those calls expire. Right, this is why I ask you for more information, because now I know that you're in it now. I know that you're holding $20 calls. This is stuff that I would never know. I'm like, okay, like how do I know this stuff? Right, $20 calls, when do they expire? If they expire tomorrow, then you probably should take profits. If they expire next month, then okay, maybe you have a bit more time to just sit there. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a nice little drop there, isn't it? Nice little drop. They expire April 19. Okay, you have a bit more time then. Then you can give it more time to see what happens. It looks really good though. But it's also been pumping for a damn long time, and you know it's gonna dip at some point. So yeah, for now I would watch 19. If it breaks above, if this thing breaks above $19.32, you can just smile. Nothing to worry about. Alrighty. Reddit still looks good there. You have a bit of a double top now at 69. Of course, it's 69, 69, 69.90 basically. But DDT, it looks like we're back above 70. So it looks like, look at what happened though. We bounced off. It almost looks like a double bottom, but it's not. But we're back above 70. What is the liquidity level on? Well, that would be below. That would be below like the support levels, like below the pivots would be your liquidity levels on Reddit. That would have been below the 200, so like around 65 ish. Alrighty. Printing, you're printing monies. You're in a long, and it's print. Oof! Look at that long. Oh my goodness, Joe. Yeah, you're printing money. You're printing monies. Congratulations. Congratulations. Sound is sending it. Yeah, Sound had news last night, 20 hours ago. Yeah, that was a nice long. They missed my long position. I'm pissed, Joe. Pissed. I want violence. Keep printing. Next position, Joe. Next position. Next position. Straight to Valhalla. What is a lab looking like for put entry? Do they have options, buddy guy? That's an interesting YouTube name. Just some buddy guy. Um, they have options already on a lab. You know what's crazy is these guys are, it just opened. Okay, these guys are printing these options immediately now. Like, yep, get them out there. Get them out there. Get them out there, please. So then your question is looking like for put position. Um, See, if you bought those puts, you'd be taking a bit of a risk now. This is the daily time frame, by the way. Let me pull up a smaller time frame. I'll do the 15-minute here. My only concern with those puts is you're buying those puts basically at the same price that we opened at. If I was looking for puts, I would wait a second. Right? So we're sitting right there now. We're basically in the middle, right? I would either wait for this thing to break below the bottom, break below support, or I would let it sell, go back to like the highs. So then if we came back down, your puts would be in the money immediately, right? Now we're sitting in the middle here. These puts are very dangerous because again, if we go down now, you're going to be happy. But what happens if we go right back up, right? So I would wait for support to break, or I would wait for a bit of a rally and then make. I mean, yeah, yeah, buddy guy, yeah, exactly, right. Not saying it's not going to crash from here. It could very well crash, and but then when you're buying stuff in the middle, you're always taking a bit more risk than you're scared. Will DJT fall? You're still green in your position, basically, right? Or close. Don't be scared. Just make a plan. Follow me for more financial advice. I'm kidding. That doesn't sound nice, does it? But no, yeah. Just put a stop loss. Al Ali, put a stop loss. Right? There's honestly nothing you can do. There's nothing. I know it's easy for me to say, but there's nothing you can do. You can be scared, but you just have to put a stop loss. Say, okay, you know what? I'm not willing to lose this more than this. Right? So stop loss at 60 this and this and this. You just have to do it. Yeah. My stop yeah, 68 now. Okay, yeah, just put a stop loss. And if it hits, it hits and then it sucks. But um you know what I mean? Um nah, nah. uh, Yeah, it seems like it, like closer to 68 though, right? So just by looking at this, right? So that previous retest, right, R7, when we came back down. So look at the last two dumps. It is looking a little bit weak now. I would almost wait for this thing to reclaim the nine and the chrono, right? Dips like dips when you're dipping, but you're sitting above the nine, almost safer, right? So if we can cross back above the nine and the chrono here, this might almost be safer higher than waiting for it to go back to the abyss. But yes, you're learning, you are learning, right? So again, the last two times it's dipped, it's bounced in around 68. So if we can stay above 68, that would be a good thing. Would be a good thing. Uh, yeah, exactly, Troy. That is the only question you should ever ask, right? Oh, wow. Will not be scammed. I know. I should have taken that long, Joe. Should have taken that was a nice scam candle down. Should have taken that long. That's a nice recovery. But the fact that we keep failing at the top there, though, maybe that's a short. Joe's like, nope, I will not be scammed. It's gonna pump. It's gonna pump. I would keep an eye on in INTJ. Let me pull it up. This is the there's an IPO today. MDNR somewhere. MNDR. You guys remember Network One, right? These are the guys that brought like all these Hong Kong IPOs. We were so excited, like, oh my goodness, Network One. That, anyways, but those guys are bringing out a new IPO today at some point, right? So MNDR. So we're gonna keep a close eye on it, see what it does, right? So, but yeah, let me see what this looks like on a daily time frame here, Rich. You know what's interesting though? That thing does look a bit like the spread is wild, but it does look interesting. If it can stay above that level, if it can like the last 4 days, the last four trading sessions, looks like it's been holding above, right? Let me pull up the website. They don't even have the stupid website on here, do they? Intelligent Group, more like Bridge Group. Fun is now moving finally. Okay. Yeah, DJT is still playing with 69 back up to, back up, back down, back up, back down. So still playing games. Reddit is also playing games here. So, and just into stop loss target in mind, not a price. It's a exactly, Josh, exactly. That is the only question you should ask yourself, right? We People always go into a stock like, oh, I'm buying this stock, um, I'm buying this, but I'm looking at my target. It's like it's like you wake up in the morning and see it got pushed to the 28. See, that's what I wanted to look at this morning. Okay, thank you. The 28. Yeah, I knew I forgot something. Wanted to look at the SEC filings. I just never did to see if it was priced or not. Okay, never mind then. So the 28. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. DJT looks like it's bouncing. So there goes 71. 71. Right. So when you're buying something, right, the first thing you think about is how much money can I lose here? Right. That's the only thing that's in your control. That's it. I'm buying this thing. That's why we like buying stocks at support or the breakout. It's like, okay, if I buy this thing, if we go below support, I know exactly what I'm going to do. But most people buy stuff and they're like, oh, okay, I'm buying this stock at $70. Oh, let me look. What's my target? $80. And then when it goes below the entry, you're like, oh, wait, what? I didn't plan for this. I didn't think about this part. What am I going to do now? I don't know, right? And then people will often ask me like, "Hey Blaze, what do you think I should do with this stock?" I'm like, "Okay, it's at 2 cents. What did you buy this thing at? $1,000. Well, there's nothing you can do now. Just pack your bags. I'm gonna come pick you up, and then drop you off at the bridge. Don't diddle in the middle. Get support or breakout for entries. Exactly, Justin. I bought it at $1,000. What should I do now? I bought it at 7. It's at $4. What do you think I should do now? I'm like, I want to help you the best that I can, but there's nothing I can do, right? There's literally nothing I can do to help you at that point. You have to plan the trade as soon as you get in. Um, plus one. Sorry if I don't. You're just updating. So okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Joe. I love it. I love it. Yeah. So when you buy stuff, think about your exit first. Think about how much money you're willing to lose, because again, that's the only thing you can control. You can't control how high a stock goes. You can control what you do when it crashes, though. Right? Is a good rule. Yeah, we do like the 7% to 8% rule, right? Put a stop loss. If you're not sure what number to use like an 8% stop loss, 10%, depending on the size of the position, obviously, right? Or just use a number. Like say I'm willing to lose $10, $50, $100. That's it, right? Like I tell you guys this all the time. Like I've had calls with people that are down like tens of thousands of dollars in stocks that like you don't want to know. Look at red DJT now. So consolidated R7C, you did it. Good job. Right, nice little level. They don't list it. Anyone find it on Schwab? Yeah, some brokers take a long time to list it. Some brokers take a damn long time to list it. Should I short ES here? Okay, fine. To push 80 so you can break even. This is scary. $80 shouldn't be your break even. You should be green at $80. Please. A lap is struggling a little bit, isn't it? Struggling a little bit. A lap. A laps. I will not be entered. It's on Thinkorswim. Yeah, it's on TD. It's on TD. DJT is pumping. Oh my goodness. Dang. ES is wild today. Reddit is bearish. I don't know if I would call this bearish yet. I know what you're looking at. I don't know if I'd call this bearish yet, though. It is a little bit weak. No, I didn't short. I promise. That candle is scary though. It lost it all. Maybe that just came back for another opportunity, but yeah. I wouldn't be calling. I don't think I would call Reddit bearish here. Right. I think we had that crazy market open excitement. We had the dip. It gave us a higher low. We're holding above the 200. We're trying to bounce here now. And there goes the pop. We're almost back to $70 for Reddit. So 69.69. Q Pablo. Anyway, so yeah, let's see what happens. Safe? Yeah, you are. Come on and go. DJT is almost back to 74. Yeah, 74. Oh, dang, it lost it all on that candle. My goodness. Something else. You're in Luna. You're in Luna, Mike, at 648. Okay, you're green in that position for now. Luna. Yeah, fun needs to get back above $10. R7. What do I think? I think you're green, and I think it's good. Again, I would have preferred you to be in at six, closer to $6. But it's a breakout retest basically. So look at this. We keep talking about these breakout retest, right? It's a really good thing, guys, right? So again, look at this. So this was obviously resistance. That's a double top, right? Resistance. This is the breakout, right? What do you think this is right there? What do you think that is? We always come back for the breakout retest, right? Breakout, retest, and then now we're trying to curl back up. Hopefully we do, right? So breakout, retest. So you don't have to FOMO into something that's breaking out. Just wait for the retest and see if it's actually consolidating. Look at that. Now you're greener, right, Mike? So I like what it's doing. We're back to 660 now. So yeah, it's looking absolutely beautiful, right? There you go, Mike. Yeah, look at that, 664, right? So nice curl. Again, when you play with these things, you do not have to FOMO right there. You don't have to FOMO right there. Just wait for the retest right there, right? And if you see that it's actually consolidating, give yourself a high five. Tell yourself you're about to make monies, right? I'm about to make monies. Send it, Luna. Send it. Send it. Send it. Anyways, send it. Moving on, let's go back to our DJT here. What's Reddit doing? 69 still? Yeah. It looks like we're in a range, right? We're just going sideways. Time to roll a joint already, Will. My goodness. That would have been a nice short on ES. Yeah, the fact that it lost it all on that big wick candle like that, yeah, you could tell it was coming. You could tell it was coming. Joe will not be scammed though. That thing is gonna pump again at some point. It's gonna be choppy, choppy, choppy. How you doing today, Dan? Dan is staring at the computer. $1.1 billion. Get ooh! Look at Reddit. Look at Reddit. Reddit is like ooh, send it, pop. Right. This is why we cannot say something is bearish when it's going sideways, right, and still trending higher. So you have to let these stocks make the decision on their own. Yeah. Otherwise, you will prematurely get into some of these positions. Let's see. DJT. So we're selling off again on DJT here, retesting the bottom of the range. We just keep going lower now. Interesting. Let's see if we stay above the same 68. See if we stay above the same 68. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Oh yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Tesla still looks nice. Still looks nice. Still looks nice. Okay. Yeah, Joe's you're green. Yeah. Yeah, Joe's just relaxing now. Joe has nothing to worry about. Mm, 8%. Okay. Luna looks nice. Yeah, Luna is just following the trend, right? So, same thing we talked about, breakout retest. Luna is just doing exactly that. Obviously, the next resistance for Luna is going to be right there. Right there. Right there. That's going to be the next resistance for Luna. Uh, yeah, you really want to know who someone is. Ask them if you got $1 billion, what would you do? First thing you would do. Their answer will tell you how much about how their life advice. Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, it would. It really would. Um, yeah, $1 billion. Most people would lean towards like making a difference, helping. That's what most people would do. I just need to respond to that this year. In Vegas. Vegas. There goes Luna. Ooh, Luna looks beautiful. Beautiful. We still need Luna to get back above $7. There we go. Luna's at new highs of the day, guys. Is Luna perfection? Luna is like technical analysis perfection. This is the type of stuff you want to see. Doesn't always happen like that though, right? Technical analysis perfection is what Luna is. And Luna just made new highs of the day. Perfection. I think you'd be surprised. I tried for a while. It will open your eyes in a profound way. Yeah. Yeah. Buy the racetrack in Vegas. Yeah. No. Can you imagine? I should stop imagining because then now I'm just sitting here daydreaming of all the things that could happen with that type of money. But anyways, let's stop imagining. What if you have no friends? Hot trade speed. Let's go. 71 DJT. Yeah. Again, the good thing though is that we're still holding that 68, right? We just keep going back and forth now. So we need to break or something. We need to break out with the pump line. Yeah, Vivi's been a really nice stock actually. Just the way that it's been performing, just a really nice stock. Whoever was there. He's a bit needy. Unbelievable. Pizza. Pizza is not happy I called him needy this morning. Hmm. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's do. Let's close this out 1 second. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, okay, interesting. Uh, doo-doo-doo. uh, Shorting the ES on the Dipski. Okay, nice. Very nice. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice short. Oh my goodness. Why does today seem very like just the same as yesterday? Like we just keep going back and forth. Like you're shorting the same area, you're long the same area, short the same area, long the same area. You could tell that thing had a lot of resistance right there. Yeah, it's dipping hard. Yes. I guess if you have $1 billion, you'd have a lot of friends. No, I don't think so. Mm, don't think so. I don't. Not for me, I guess. But to ride, get your face in the wind, back of yeah, like to ride like a horse. I want to learn how to ride a horse. Sounds like a yeah. That's yeah, short. Yeah. Do 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 do. Hmm, interesting. What would be preventing from pushing past 71? Not enough volume, Ali. Not enough volume. Not enough volume. Uh, People tend to wait for like breakouts for new volume to come in. So until that thing decides to break above a new level, it's gonna keep going sideways or go down, and people lose interest, right? With People are way too target thinking is easy. The wealthier it keeps as 95% of the yeah, yeah, yeah. It would be nice. It would be nice though. But yeah, no, I know. I see what you mean. Oh wow, that thing came back all the way. Oh my goodness, it's crashing. ES is crashing. Oh my days, Joe. Are you still in that position? What the hell happened? Are you still in that long, Joe? Eee, eee. That looks scary. It's very scary. I just need to change the stop loss here. Um, what? It's a very weird bit, isn't it? A very weird bit. Hmm. Is that cancelled? Or pending? Oh, you took profits. Okay, good job. Whew. And then on the side of the road with the middle finger out the window, it did, Troy. It really did. Uh, I can make it happen. Why does that say pending though? Is my question. Hmm, interesting. Oh, what's got inside? Oh yeah, Joe. Yeah, I'm glad you got rid of that thing. Maybe you're going long again, but that was. Is it Wednesday? No, today's Tuesday. You're done for the day, pizza? Yeah, you better be. You better be. Rubbish. Cancelled. Interesting. Hmm, interesting levels. Open. Okay. Two. Small enter, they got you a little bit. Oh, that's annoying, Joe. Yeah, that thing dropped hard, hard. There goes DJT. So again, we're bouncing off the same zone, right? Which is a good thing. At least we have a base for now. At least we have a little bit of support. Shut off my internet. Peter, if you screw that up, you screw that up. At least you should know that there's hope, though, right? You know you can do it. So that's the good thing. You know it's possible, right? Anyways, we're back to $73. $73. BTC is not playing nice. Yeah, we're back below 70 again. I think it's because the markets are weird today. Markets are weird. Yeah, let me see what that ES drop did to the S&P actually. What did we do here? Yeah, we're selling off a little bit. Yeah, we're basically back to the lows of the day for the entire market. So, yep. Oh my goodness, virus. Oh my goodness, it does look like a nice little base there, though, doesn't it? Looks like a nice little base. Tesla is bouncing off the VWAP. Okay, what's Tesla at? Stupid Tesla. Stupid Tesla. Um, my After all my the last 12 years, you better prepare yourself and emotionally and mentally. Yeah, Josh. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Agreed. Nah. Agreed. Nah. What's happening with this one? Oh yeah, new lows. Yeah, Rich, are you still watching this thing? It made new lows. So that no look good. No look good, Rich. The only reason I had this up still was because it was holding out 180, 190. Yeah, below that level, nah. Luna went for new highs 6 7 and then came back down. So let's hope that this is a higher low for Luna. It looks like it is a higher low. Luna likes attention actually. Every time we pull up Luna, it's like, ooh, I'm going. Yeah, a lab broke down, so it seems like everything is kind of breaking down. Kind of breaking down. Except for DJT and Reddit. They're both kind of going sideways for now. Sideways. We're just waiting for the yeah, it needs to. Yeah, we need to get back to 7. You got in at 180. Okay, they're not that far off, right? It's sitting at 179 for now, so you're basically break even. And I'm sure it's gonna rally at some point. Maybe I think what we'll be telling though is how it closes. Like if it closes well, if it consolidates and closes well, Rich, that's gonna be your sign. But yeah, you're fine. You're at break even, so but that's the way you tell for these splits is like how well they're going to do is how they do into the close. Like if we consult it, like in the morning, it's way too early to tell. Yeah, Meso looks like a breakout retest, a higher low. It doesn't look too bad. You now do have a downtrend forming there though, and a supply zone at $3.25. So that's gonna need to break. It's gonna need to break. Look at low. My goodness, Luna loves attention. Look at that, guys. Sheesh. Look at Luna. Ooh wee, guys. Ooh wee. That's beautiful. Yeah, Luna needs to get us halted. Get us halted, please. Get us halted, please. Halt up, Luna. No. No. When was that message? 27. Look at Holo. Sure. Holo. Yeah. So 325 for Meso is a problem. Holo to jail. Holo to. Oh wow. Wait, what? No, really? No way. How? Wait, 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 wait. How? So Holo went from a dollar 50 all the way to $98. $98 in less than a month. It's back to $3.50. This is why do not diamond hand. Past performance does not predict future performance, does it? It doesn't. So, well, except in the S&P, hopefully. Anyways, oh my days! Wow, everything is a scam if you buy the wrong price, isn't it? Sure left a hole in someone. Oh my goodness! If you bought this thing at the wrong time, yeah, right. We played with this thing from a dollar $52 all the way to 98, right? And then we forgot about it. Well, kind of. So I'm just surprised because we haven't looked at it since that big run. Well, we have like little baby runs, but this is crazy. It left a hole in someone. Yes, I'll take a look at KU 45 cents. Break thanks. Okay. KULR. So your question is, please look at for levels after 45 cents. Okay, yeah. So that 45 cents we talked about, right? So like it's like 45 to 46. I said 45 because psychological, but if you look to the left hand side, this is your main resistance for now. Like right there at 46, let's call it 46.50 ish. 46.40, 46.50. Maybe Justin answered your question actually. Yeah, let's see here. Right, so resistance, yeah, there you go. So we call it 45 because again 45 is really the level that we haven't closed above, right? So anywhere around that, so 45 to 46, a lot of resistance, right? So once you, if you can break above that level, then obviously you're looking for 50 cents and then 50, 50, 53.50. Alrighty. In terms of support, though, I'd be looking for the 200 there at 40 cents. You want to have that thing stable 40 cents. If it doesn't, there's a problem. Luna is way too volatile. Like, this is too much chaos. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And Reddit, yeah, Reddit got entered. Slapped. We're back to that demand zone, though. Slapped. Everything seems to be getting slapped, except for Trump. Trump is like, try slapping me, I'll throw hands. I'll throw hands and some feet. Anyways, 64, yeah, even, stop, even, yeah, yep. It's the demand zone. So if you know, anywhere close like 64, 63, Reddit seems to be the level that it wants to bounce at. Yeah, yep. So holding for now. It looks like we're bouncing on ES and all the other stuff. Yeah, a little bit. That was those are two vicious red candles on ES though. Vicious. Tesla's holding nice. Where would be a good point? Entry point? Oh my goodness, Joe. Oh my goodness, Joe. Um, so again, fat last weekend, we posted a chart in Discord for Tesla entry. You did good, Peter. So Tesla, we posted again. We posted a potential entry point, and we've been talking about it for the last week now. We've been talking about this level, this level, this level, right? So your level for entry would have been like closer to like 160, right? And then you formed another higher low at 170, right? So that could have been another spot. If you're asking now where you think the entry for Tesla is closer to the highs than it is to the bottom, right? Like Tesla is one, I think Virus mentioned 183 something, right? So closer to like 183.69, like right there, right? Resistance, pivot, fail to the abyss. Well, this level, we almost hit that level this morning and we came back down, right? So this level here is a bit of a problem. So you're asking for an entry closer to resistance than to support. You might be better off waiting for that thing to break out first, right? Uh, yes, yes, Troy. Yes, yes. So what you're saying is, no, what I'm saying is, Joe missed that entry for Tesla, or the Joe, right? So Yeah, George, I would give it a second for now. See if you get a sell off or a breakout. Or again, if it's a longer term play and then you want to be scaling in on sell offs anyways. Um, oh my goodness. Joe is into revenge now. Look at this. Joe, you know how Joe goes in two contracts at the time? He's like, I'm long two contracts. I added one more. This time he's like, nope, I'm in eight contracts. I want my money back. Revenge. Okay, so you got in at 89, 52.89, 52.89. Okay, 52.89. Okay, so you're right there. Um, you're right there. Ah, okay, let's hope for a pump. I'm looking at AMD. Seems like support. AMD. Tesla looks nice though, doesn't it? It's slowly going back for 183. So AMD. AMD, is that the 4 hour time frame? Yeah, actually, that's not too bad. I see what you're looking at. Yeah, I mean, the market seemed a bit interesting this morning, but yeah, it's sitting in a nice demand zone. So as long as AMD stays above 175 is what I would be looking at. So it has to stay above 175. It's been holding 175 since last Wednesday, right? So we're actually no last Monday. Yeah, so since last Monday, it's been holding 175. So if you played those calls, make sure we stay above 175. Please and thank you. Reddit bounced to 166, coming back down. DJT still playing with 70s. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, it's looking sus. Yeah, if it goes below that level and breaks that demand zone, it's done. But for now, it's still holding it, even though we're getting like weakness on the way back up, though. Troy, weakness to me, I like DJT more than Reddit just because it's a stock that has more catalysts coming up. Right, there's more hype, there's more this and that. Reddit could be like yeah, but again, for now, Reddit has a base and it's holding the base. Breaking above the 50, Joe. Yeah, it's playing games with you now, even though you're kind of green. Isn't that crazy, Josh? I bet you in 10 years we're gonna say the same thing. You know, AMD shares at $8. They're now $176. Can you imagine? Hmm, crazy. And there's a stock that we're talking about. Now that at some point we're gonna look back and say, oh wow, oh my goodness. Question for you guys in the chat: what stock do you guys think that's gonna be? What stock do you think is undervalued? Josh, yeah, yes. What stock do you think is undervalued now? You think in 10 years we're gonna be like, oh wow, that stock is now at $500? Luna, wow. Justin says Luna. Maestro says Luna. You think Reddit? I don't think it's Reddit. Tesla, Tesla. Palantir, okay. Yeah, something AI, yeah. Palantir is an interesting one too. Yeah, PLTR, yep, 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 yep. I agree with all of these except for Reddit. I don't think it's going to be Reddit. It's not BBIG for sure. It's not going to be Holo. Rumble? Yeah, potentially. Mullen? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. DDL? Ding dong. Ding dong. Mullen. DDL and nuts. Ding dong and nuts. We're just going sideways here on for DJT. Well, for Luna, as long as Luna doesn't screw it up with an offering or like an exploded rocket on the moon, Luna does something very dangerous, don't they? Very dangerous. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. All it takes is one exploded rocket. Hopefully not. But honestly, though, as time goes on, like as time goes on, A lot of companies will be doing this, and it will be like, I bet you at some point, people said this about like getting into planes. Like, I bet you planes are gonna crash, or like driving cars. Fast forward 20 years, I bet you rockets are gonna be going to the moon like every single day. Rocket to the moon, rocket to the moon, rocket to the moon. Taxi is going to make billions for Tesla. Bots are going to make billions for Tesla. Solar is going to make billions for Tesla. Tesla is going to make monies. I agree. I agree. Oh, Joe. Oh my goodness, that thing keeps coming back to the abyss. Sheesh. 8 contracts, Joe. Hopefully, you don't get entered on this one. Peter. Oh lordy. You should have waited till we went to the futures channel, Joe, and then AMD is almost back to 170. Yeah, 177 now. Reddit is still playing games but holding the bottom. The S&P is okay. It's confused. The markets just seem tired. Tired. Is the market maker's backyard? Mm, he's my mom's gardener's wife, dog's girlfriend's owner, janitor's brother's sister's husband. Yes. Uh, yeah. The days when I and watch launches like I did like a kid in Florida, Josh. Yeah, you know what's gonna happen. And Nets, are you guys green on CGC? Should be. It has virus. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I want to see Tesla above 200. I want to see Tesla above 200. CGC. CGC is like the cannabis leader now, isn't it? Yep, look at that, 750. 21 per 22%. Oh my days, CGC. Dang. Looking for I don't think so. I don't think Elon is going to buy out Disney. You just sold? Yeah. At least you know what to do now, right? So CGC, what a monster. Absolute monster. Luna is all over the place. All over the place. They need a new catalyst, is what they need. Oh, you have CGC puts? Okay. CGC puts. You're back to break even at least, Joe. IXHL. Yeah, those guys need a catalyst, I feel. I think they're kind of like into psychedelics. Oh, like it's back about $3 though. Wow. Dang. Well, what was the bottom here, Justin? 250 basically, 240 something. So 250. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Cool. And got out to that 220, 325. Okay, nice. Okay. Look at that. Reddit is still holding that bottom, guys. Right? Still holding the bottoms. So yup. Holding the bottoms. So as long as Reddit continues to hold that 63, 64, there's still a chance. Still a chance here. Okay. Yeah, it's still playing with the bottoms there, Joe. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Pump for Joe. Yeah, yesterday we had to pump it for Joe or crash it for Joe. Today we want to pump it for Joe. Send it, Joe. Yeah, you're green now. 25, 50. 67.50. Okay, almost. So we really can't write these things off, when they're still holding the bottoms. There goes $67 for Reddit. 67. There goes 67.50. There it is, $68. Reddit is going. Right. So again, Reddit came back this morning to test this green zone. That's another beautiful thing about the indicator, right? The green zone is right there. It's telling you, hey, this zone is a buy, maybe. maybe it's a green zone. Please pay attention to the green zone, and then it happens again, and then it goes up, right? So the demand zones are nice, right? DJT is us just holding above the demand zone. It's just sitting there. You also notice though the levels to the green zones, by the way, right? Look at this green, right? This is like a lime green. It's like a light green color. Um, look at the green in DDT. Look at that green. It's like thick, 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 thick. It's like, hey, this level is strong. This is a solid demand zone. This is strong. And the AMD just broke above 177. 177. Dang, look at CGC. CGC just sending it. Seems like there's a. I'm not sure why that line is up there, but yeah, must be a little bit of resistance at 7 something ish there. That's a nice little breakout, Joe. You're nice and you're green now. That line 52-week high. Oh, okay, perhaps. Hmm, interesting. Back at 200. Okay. Yeah, every time we get closer to that bottom there, it goes right back up, right? So we just keep going back and forth, back and forth. So, yeah, 10 long. You have 10 contracts long now. Oh my goodness, Joe. And there goes CGC failing at that line. It's the magic line, guys. There's a white line there. We don't know why we put that line there, but we must have looked at it and said resistance. And then it's like, okay, fine. 10 contracts long. Where's Dan? Dan, where are you? What are you doing? Can't be having barbecues in the morning. No barbecues in the morning. He's ready for the squeeze. Uh, doo 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 doo. Yeah, Joe wants violence. I need a red candle. You're looking at long-term options, Dan? Okay. Sounds good. What are you looking at? Like SPY? SPY? KURL is back to so again KULR. Who was holding this one again? Let me know. It's still holding 40 cents. Yeah, still holding 40 cents. The Fed. Let's take a look. Virus. Let me take a look. Dang, this side is so slow. So slow. Let me just pull it up on stream here, Virus, so we can look together. So today. I'm gonna filter it though, because there's way too much happening here. Clear. Looking for the United of States. Apply. So the only thing that comes out, no, there's nothing really coming out today. Nothing that's coming out today. Let me do this. Let me do it this week. This entire week. Let's just do the entire week. So that was Monday. Wednesday, somebody's speaking. So you might be waiting for like Thursday. Right, so this is tomorrow. There's nothing happening today. This is Wednesday. So oil always comes out on Wednesday. Whoever this is speaking. Waller, whatever they say. And then Thursday you have GDP numbers, and then you have jobless numbers. So Thursday is the day. And then Fed's balance sheet. You're gonna see that they printed a whole bunch of other money to pump the market. And then PCE numbers on Friday. So yeah, this other than that, there's really not a whole lot else. Yeah. Oh Joe, send it. Are you gonna sell it at the same resistance, Joe? Are you selling? maybe. DJT still $70. KULR is still failing at 44. And Reddit is still there. Oh my goodness, look at AMD. AMD is just pumping now. Well, obviously the markets are going up too, so that helps. But yeah, AMD bounced off a beautiful demand. Look at that beautiful demand zone. Beautiful green zone. Green, green, buy zone. Go up, 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 up. Did Joe take profits yet? Or Joe's waiting for violence? Joe says a little more, a little more, a little more, a little more, he says. A little more. Wait, what? Doo-doo-doo-doo. A little more, he says. Let's see what happens there. Yeah, Joe, it looks like it almost wants to break out, doesn't it? It's fighting. It's fighting. That candle looks like that candle looks a little bit interesting, doesn't it? Doo, doo, doo. Oh, that candle is fighting. Let's see where that candle closes, Joe. Is it gonna break or is it gonna go to the abyss? Interesting. Sometime today, especially with CGC pumping, I'm surprised it's been slacking. It has a way bigger float too, though, Maestro. That's the problem. Way bigger float. I'm surprised ACB. What is it? ACB. ACB. I'm surprised that one isn't pumping with CGC. So CGC came back for a bit of a retest to the nine, and it's going back to retest the top there. Retest the tops. Come on, something give us a squeeze. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, become a member. Come join us. Alrighty, we have like 30 more minutes, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord, and then do some one-on-ones. Or if we're not doing anything, we'll do a future stream in Discord. Deal, deal, deal. Let me pull up Very. Which NQ do I usually look at? I usually just go to the one that says, so I pull up NQ, and then I just do the like the little like mark there, and I select the one that says like June. And then at some point when we get closer to June, we're going to need to rotate to like the September ones. But yeah, just June is the one I click on. So NQM 2024, and then it just says June. Yeah, that's usually the one that has the volume now. You want 20 cents? Okay, 27. Okay. Not too far away. It went to 23. Not too far away. Not far away at all. Tesla breakout yet? Tesla break yet? Nope. Tesla. Actually, Tesla actually made new highs there. They actually made new highs. Dang it. That was a short, Joe. That was a short. That was a short. Going to long near the 50. Yeah, if it does, okay. Chop, chop, chop. Yeah, that was just chopping now. Alrighty, Peter. Have good meetings. Don't look at futures. Bye. Bye bye. Let me take a look. Anything else moving here that we've missed? A few more comments actually. Uh, is Kathy Woods moving Tesla? Yeah. See, I never check the like I always forget to check the Rumble stream, but people will always ask stuff on there. I'm like, and then I never check. Let me take a look. Rumble. Does anybody watch on Rumble? Anybody? Anybody? Sometimes he. Okay, I do, but always I know, right? That's the problem. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of people on Rumble. Let me just see. No, 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 no. Oh yeah, yeah. The stream on Rumble is loading. Yeah, the actually the whole bunch of people on Rumble. A whole bunch of people on Rumble. Hi, Rumble people. Say something in the chat if you're watching on Rumble. Type something. Type something. Don't forget to hit the follow on Rumble and hit the like on Rumble. You slackers. Rumble people slack. All of you slacking. Hit the like and say something. Hey yo, Josh. Hey yo, hey yo. Hey yo, hey yo. Other than Josh, everybody else is slacking. Slacking. Uh-uh. 1 second. 1 second. Let me get some water. Or let me see. Uh, is what you get when your streaming site decides what is and what is not allowed to be said. Yeah, yeah, these nuts. Yeah, I'm kidding. D nut. I was gonna say that this morning when I was looking. Uh, no, I was gonna say that this morning when I was looking at the gainers list, and also last night uh, we were talking about donuts, or was it last night? I don't know, maybe this morning. But anyways, yeah. So Rumble has earnings coming out on Thursday too. Thursday. Rumble earnings. AMD is pumping. Did whoever was asking? Did you buy those calls for AMD? I hope you did, because you asked about those calls at the bottom. AMD's been pumping since. I hope you bought your calls. Who was asking? Let me know. I think it was you did. Yeah, you did. Congratulations. Well done. How green are you now? How green? You're up 20. You're up 26%. Well done. Very nice. Yeah, it's pumping. Pumping. Don't lose the monies though. You know? Don't lose the monies. It's going. Oh my goodness. You're up like 30% now. Right? Pick a number and say, you know what? I'm not gonna go below this. I'm not gonna go below this. Right? Don't go below that number. Um, yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at AMD go. AMD is approaching resistance now, though. So 180 is resistance for AMD, and there it is, 180. That thing is flying from the bottom to the top. So again, 180 resistance. I say resistance because 180, 50-ish. Oh my goodness, AMD is testing highs of the day, guys. Oh damn. What happened to AMD? It's because Josh said it was at $8. It's like, wait, who? Who do you think is at 180? You can be at 180. Uh, about to cash out. Will, good job. 180.50 is everything else pumping like this too though? Let me pull up the S&P again. Tesla is still slacking, obviously, but I don't really care. I want to see what the S&P is doing with that rally there. S&P is really not doing much, is it? It's not. AMD is just doing this on its own. AMD is like, I'm the captain now. AMD seeking offer article. AMD's path to 600. Oh, that's why. Okay. It went green for the day. Dang it! Should have kept watching that thing, Rich. As soon as it broke below, I stopped paying attention. Dang it! That's annoying. It's annoying. AMD's at 181. Yeah, you should be up nicely now, buddy guy. So again, just move your stop loss up, or take profits. Yeah, you secure profits. Let's go. 65% in like 10 minutes. What, 30 minutes? Well done. Good job. 180 is a hard level. Yeah, it is. It's been playing with this zone like since quite a bit actually. Most of the day yesterday, and then all of this morning, I was playing with this level for resistance. So DJT came back to retest 66 this time. Reddit is still playing, so yeah, that's okay, buddy guy. Yeah, you made money still. It's all that matters. Again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Sign up for Discord, Community, Legend, or Goats. Come join us in Discord. We're going to hop off in like 20 minutes. So we have a lot of time still. Right? Come join us in Discords. And yeah. And yeah. Did you sell that thing, Vivi, Justin? Did you sell it? It did go to 27 actually. What's support for AMD? Maybe all the way back down to 180. Yeah, that thing is quite high. So 179 ish. That's where the 200 is for now, and the 20 and the chrono. So quite a little bit. It's quite a bit low. Quite low. AMD looks nice. AMD is pumping still. Yeah, it must be that article. Because the market isn't pumping like this. It's just AMD. Yup. Yup. Inflation. Mm, mm. Uh, na 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 na. Okay. Mm. Break even. Oh, breakdown. Okay. Anyone playing with the Regina? Yeah, a whole bunch of people are. Most people took profits already. I bet you. Now we're just going sideways, so there's really nothing to do here other than just wait for the next wave of excitement. So let's see if we can stay above the 200 EMA here. Stay above 67 to 66. So yeah, people are playing with it, back and forth, scalpies. Just waiting, just waiting. Joe, did you sell? Did you sell your position? Nah, nah. Yeah, that thing is just going sideways for now, isn't it? Yeah, it almost seems like I should have taken a short at the top there, actually. Well, I did. Just so too soon. Yeah. Nah, nah, nah. Riding free positions, nah. Sniping scalps. Yeah, exactly. Uh, from the shower. Is Josh in the shower? Nah, 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 nah. Hmm. What's Luna doing? Luna looks beautiful again. Let's see. Okay, sounds good. I just saw your chart now. Feels good. Let's go. Yeah, it did. That was a nice wig. Uh, and I get the most scrub. I like monies though. Yes, please. 164. Yeah, $2 off the dip. Yeah, monies. Yeah, that was a nice play for AMD. AMD was at the perfect spot when you asked about it. Beautiful, beautiful demand zone. Just turn to, like, isn't that crazy that we haven't had any red candles in AMD except for like now when it hit a demand zone, a supply zone. Sorry, right? Again, this is why the indicator is amazing, right? So there was a green zone at the bottom. It's like, hey, this could be a buy area. It went all the way to the red zone. It's like, okay, red zone, bye, 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 bye. If Tesla breaks 180, you're laying back and enjoying the ride. Tesla? No, Tesla broke it, Josh. Tesla broke it. Oh, virus? Oh, you mean for like puts? Who made you negative Nancy? Huh? Leave Tesla alone. I'm kidding. You mean like a breakdown and then puts? Okay, sounds good. Rubbish. Tesla, get back to 184 and then 200. Puts are for losers. I know, virus. I'm gonna break someone down. Exactly, Mo. What's this rubbish, you know? What's this rubbish? I've been killing. Yeah, no, he has. Virus has been crushing it with Tesla for sure. Crush, crush, crush. 500% last Friday. Yeah, he's been crushing. Made a CGC, made about $10,000, said, and buy like a year worth of cannabis. And then, yeah. Well done, Will. High five. My goodness, that's a lot of money. You made that much money? Sheesh. You guys make some impressive monies on these plays. Impressive monies. Send it, Joe. Send it, send it, send it. We keep failing at this level though, Joe. I wonder if this is like a short, you know? Uh, on Tesla call 67, not bad for a gambler. No, that's amazing, virus. Like you sold some positions off your long. Why? MC you're out for now. Okay, good job, good job, good job. Glad you made monies. Third time. It also kind of, I don't know. Yeah, it's failing again for some reason. Like it's the same games we had yesterday, Joe. Same games. 1622. Can't seem to break that. Okay. The German monies would be coming in, pumping the stock. Yeah. Also, these companies are kind of big in Germany. All these companies want to go to Germany. It's like, oh, FLGC Germany, CGC, they're going to Germany. Like they have, businesses in that Germany, which is nice. Back in the 40s. Uh, yeah, virus. I agree. I absolutely agree. 183 for Tesla is a problem. 183.50 ish problem. It's a problem. It's a problem. Just like Luna has a lot of resistance here, though, at like 170. Let's call it 175. So it's going to need to break above 175 already. Moving on. Let's take a look at. Let me take a look at D Nut. When D Nut came out, it was exciting. Exciting. Yeah, D Nut looks nice. You have a bit of a double top there, 1620, but it looks nice. Looks very nice. Tesla is trying to curl there. Met. Yeah, Mets was yeah, like again, you know, yep. It was bound to happen. Like it was guaranteed to happen. Guaranteed to happen. Just because again, they were giving out a dividend, right? It rallied because of that. So at some point it goes back to the abyss. At some point it goes back to the abyss. Anyways, let's go back to other things here. Yeah, DNUT has done well today. How you're looking? You're in at $4 for Kazoo. Kazoo. Good job, Nas. Kazoo has a lot of resistance here, though. Yeah, it's had a lot of issues at 490, 480. So this might be a level where you start consider taking profits, right? So this was the 21st of March, so last Thursday. Last Thursday, it struggled all day at 490 to $5 to 480 and then crashed. So today it's kind of playing with the same. It looks really good still. So maybe what you can do is just set a stop loss. Joe says time to send it. I almost want to short that, Joe. I'm very tempted to, but I see what you're looking at though. Hmm. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. That's a nice candle though, isn't it? It's a very nice green candle, Joe. A very nice green candle. If it went back all the way to the top, then I would short. Good luck with that, Joe. Yee. That's a nice green candle. Okay, fine, fine, fine. I will short it, Joe. I'm gonna stay away. Yeah, you're only in four. Yeah, I know you should feel safer now. Oh, that would have been a nice short actually. That would have been a nice little scalpy, Joe. Just because we keep going back and forth, up, down, up, down, up, down. So yeah, and we shall see. Kazoo on the Flintstones. Kazoo. Yeah, it almost needs a bit more volume. Like it's 250,000 shares. It needs a bit more volume to break out there. Yeah, that would have been a nice short. Oh my goodness, dang. It's already erasing those gains. That was a short. Yeah, it's gonna. Hopefully, we stay above now. Yeah, it's gonna need to. It's going to need to, Joe. Up, down, up, down. So buy the bottom, short the top. Failure would be most, however. Yeah, I've seen that one. I haven't seen the. Well, I think I've seen a little bit of the Flintstones, but heck of a short. Heck of a short. Heck of a short. It's going back up though, Joe. This thing is for like scalping, especially for you, Joe. Like quick profits. Quick profits. Like, do I think RDDT will dump? If we break down, then yeah. If we break below 63, then yes, Marshall. Right? We've been bouncing up this green zone and going back up and bouncing. So for now, as long as that level holds, there's hope. Um, so and it's right back up there, Joe. Right back up there. Right back up there. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. There we go. Yo, 6 long now. Yeah, it's fighting. Oh dang! I closed that short too quickly, Joe. Little scalpy. Closed too quickly. Doo-doo-doo. Market is slow this week. Yeah, I think the markets are just the S&P wants to break out. Yeah, maybe ES is gonna break out there finally. Yep, I think the markets have just. Yeah. Yep, everything is high, 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 high. Tesla is going to the abyss again, right? It's Luna. Is Luna failing at the same resistance? Nope, it's actually testing it. Let's go, Luna. Uh, Luna highs of the day. Mo, did you take your Luna position? Please say yes. Please say yes. Luna is at the highs of the day. So you guys' favorite long-term position is doing well today. Doing well. So hopefully it continues to pump. I want to see that thing above 7 though. 7. $7. My goodness, all these wicks. All these wicks. How did I miss these messages? I think you can. CGC broke out. Okay. CGC. Yeah, Kazu's done really well. This is why, honestly, I know more. I know. I don't know how I missed messages, but 69 hours later. Sorry. I miss messages. Like once, I don't know. Oh damn! Look at Kazoo. A la Kazoo. That thing is pumping. My goodness. Nas, congratulations. This is why, honestly, always setting a stop loss is the thing to do, right? Right. Yeah. Recently about the potential catalyst with exactly Pablo, right? Oh dang. Luna said bye guys. Bye. There we go. Anyways, you took some contracts. Let's go, Maestro. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, Luna. Let's go. Let's go, Luna. Let's go. Where are we going to the moon? Kidding. First time all day? Yeah, Tesla's a bit of a Tesla's always weird. Tesla's always weird. Mm. You had a meeting, Mark. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. You missed a crazy AMD rally, Mark. You would have really enjoyed that actually. Straight off the demand zone. Boom, boom, boom. AMD sent it. Now it has a lot of resistance there, obviously. DJT is still just going sideways. So for now, again, just watch the 200, $67, right? If we stay above that, okay. But if we break below that, we have a problem. Kazu's done really well. We're now sitting in a brand new supply zone. $5.70. So congratulations, Nas. Good job. Reddit is also just playing games, but it's holding the bottom, like we said, right? So as long as you stay above those bottoms, coin. Okay, nice, Mark. Nice. And again, Luna's had a really nice rally today, 11%. Pablo spammed a whole bunch of like catalysts coming off of Luna next week, right? So it almost seems like they're running into next week, fronts running, but we'll see. We shall see. I made 100% once and then loser. Like you made money and then lost it. Like you made 100% then lost 100%. FLGC is now pumping too, isn't it? Yeah. All these cannabis names. A can is was also pushing there. A can. Sounds good, Will. Sounds good. Anyways, Luna, we can come back to Luna at some point, but Reddit. Oh, there goes Reddit. Retesting the view apps. Can you view app? Can you nene? CGC. Yeah, that's nice. That's actually quite nice. Yeah, it failed at that level there, Justin. Well, failed at the supply zone right there, and then and then some lower highs. Still a strong stock though. Once the next month, lost it all. Oh, okay, I see. I see, Gary. Yeah, Joe, we keep failing at the same damn level. Same level. Like up, down, up, down, up, down. So little scalpies. Little short scalpies. Yeah, we might be Oh my goodness, Troy. Even 8 ball is like we want the markets to pump. Will the S&P dump? 8 ball said suck it kindly. Let's go, JC. Where have you been, JC? Where you been? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, JC. Legend. JC's a legend. A legend. Unless you quit, not necessarily. Unless you play, you change the way you play, right? Again, Josh says this all the time. Just because you make more doesn't mean you have to trade more, right? I made $100. Okay, let me go use 50 of those of the $100, or let me use the same amount, right? I'm gonna take that $100 I just made. You know what? I'm gonna put it in something else, right? I'm going to put it in a longer term position. I'm going to put it in an ETF. I'm scalping to make monies in the market. I'm making money, but then I'm rotating this money to something else. I'm doing this, or I'm playing with the same. Um, yeah. Most people just play like, oh, I had $100 to start. I made $100 today. Now I have $200 to play with tomorrow. You just keep bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Not always like that, right? Um, well done, ye. My goodness, 668, $8. Well done. Congratulations. Right? Review Hub. The only thing that's a guarantee buy is a Discord membership. Come join us in Discord. Anyways, there goes your fail for CGC for now. But it's the kernel is still green. So let's see where we close at. Signs of weakness. Yeah. Well done. Look at Reddit, guys. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Look at that. Right. Again, I know people keep saying, oh, but it's done, it's done, it's done. It's not done until like it breaks down, right? So you always have to pay attention to the demand zones, the support levels. Um, so as long as we keep creating demand zones and going higher, that's fine. Reddit is almost back to 68, right? So clearly it's not done. Let's go, JC. Ooh wee. Let's go, let's go. Welcome back, JC. ATM is always a winner. Mm. IMCC, what is that thing doing? IMCC. Yeah, Kazu did really well. IMCC doesn't have a whole lot of volume though. Just be careful. But yeah, it pushed to 50 cents. So if you're watching this thing, just wait for it to get back about 50 cents or dip all the way back down to like 44 cents or something. Alrighty. Then FLGC. That one's a cannabis name. It's done okay, but it obviously has resistance at the pink line at $2, so it's going to need to clear that level. ACB, I'm surprised we haven't talked about this yet because of CGC pumping. It's also had a really good day though, but it's stalling at the top there now though, at $4.87 ish. So it's going to need to break above that, and then you're looking for like just below $5 for resistance. Alrighty, so a whole bunch of cannabis names. Cannabis. Review Hub, are you a bot? Or are you just annoying? I'm just asking for a friend. Yes, Nas. Put a stop loss though, please. Stop loss, please. Please and thank you. What's in the momentum scanner? Okay. You can tell the scanner is a little bit on the weak side today. $5.50? Okay. Yeah, it almost, you can see it like T-Rexing, right? Like it's trying to jump off the bridge. Like it's gone up and it's stalling a little bit. And here it comes. Right? So, yup. Your stop loss is fine though, right? If we can stay above this little blue line here, you should be okay. You lost $100 and sound only $100 remaining. Well, the $100 you lost was supposed to be for Discord membership, but Troy. Kazoo was moving. Now it's stalling. So, but again, it's holding the 9 EMA. So if Czoo can stay above it, then that's okay. Kazoo, ACB, yeah, ACB is dipping a bit there. Yeah, Luna's stalling. It's really going to need to get above $7. Reddit has done really well. You do have a bit of a double top for Reddit at $69. And yeah, so let's go back. Let's leave it on Kazoo for now. Kazoo. Hindsight is 2020. Yeah, but I mean, honestly, you live and you learn. We all make these mistakes, you know. We all make these mistakes. You just have to. I say these things not because they're easy to do. They're pretty hard to do. These things are hard for anybody to do, right? But then I have to say them though, right? So then maybe you can learn for next time, because there will be a next time. Anyways, there goes Kazoo, right? It looks like a what? Like a T-Rex. What does that mean? It looks like it's going down, right? So a lot of resistance. It looks like that candle hit 550 though, but it stayed above 550, so it might just be a psychological. Yeah. I wish all the cannabis companies that are US companies were in on the OTC. I know, Wes. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, like QRL Leaf is nice, but OTC. There are a whole bunch. Like the better companies are OTC companies. And if you look at the performance, they've actually performed way better than the idiot Canadian companies. But whatever. Isn't that's interesting though? Well, I guess it's because like it's legalized in Canada, so they can list on the Nasdaq, the New York Stock Exchange, because exactly, Wes. Yeah, like these companies are better than CGCs and ACBs and all these other ones. Curaleaf is nice, TrueLeaf is nice, I think. All you have to do is really just look at the chart performance, and it's going to tell you that these companies are way better than. But they're in the states though, so they're not allowed to list on a proper exchange until it's legalized. I bet you there'll be a whole bunch of like uplisting news. Federal being illegal. Yeah, it is, Troy. Canada, Gary, Canada. I soda also made some money. Regina, congratulations. High five. High five. Well done. Well done, skis. Yeah, Meso is pumping. Wow. ACB is going back up, but yeah, Meso's spamming towards $4. Oh, not quite $4, but Meso's gonna need to consolidate above 340 here first though before it looks really good. Before it looks really good. So that's not too bad. Let me pull up DTST. DTST, not bad. Not a whole lot of volume, but yeah, not bad. Needs to clear 750. Do, 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 do. Okay. Anyways, back to Meso. Mesoblasts. Uh, on Trump, isn't that ironic? You're red. Isn't that ironic? No, it's not. How you read on this donk is my question, Gary. How you read is because yeah. How you read on this thing, Gary? Where did you buy it at? So all the spamming that everybody's been FOMOing and doing and 60 to rallies. How did you go red, Gary? Yeah, it's failing at the top again there, Joe. Markets are very weird today. In Canada, the tiny molecule has 4 cannabis stores. Yeah, everybody smokes cannabis in these little towns. If I didn't have that F at the, it would be, wouldn't it? Yep. Yeah. Once like OTC stocks have huge limits, like just psychological limits. People just have don't want to buy them or stuff like that. I mean, look at Curalive. Like we're looking at Curalive leaf. It's like it's a really like but people don't want it. Well, I mean, it's done okay though. It's done well. It doesn't has nearly as much volume as a CGC though. Not even close, right? 174,000 shares. Look at CGC, right? CGC has a 30 million, right? Some of that volume would go to that OTC stock if it wasn't an OTC stock. So being on the OTC is not the best. Yeah, $50 fee just to sell on the OTC. Yeah, screw that. Gary, let's go. How many tickets did you get, Gary? You got a whole bunch. Four pot, one donut shop. Sounds like a business opportunity. Yes. Yeah. Donuts, coffee, and drugs. Choo, choo, choo. This is na, 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 na. Coffee and donuts. Again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, guys. I know I said 5 minutes, like 5 minutes ago, or 10 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, but I promise 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna go to Discord because I have stuff to do, and then we can stream in Discord too. So always check the futures channel because we're gonna be in there streaming at some point when I'm done. Alrighty. So I'll just send out a notification. But it really is Dan. ES is the same thing. It's like it's baby scalps, like up, down, fail at the same range, up, down, buy at the same level. He has cookies to bake. No, I'm gonna be in doing one-on-ones and streaming in Discord. So yeah, should have NAS. Uh, predictions. Hmm. While you're baking cookies. As long as I'm off the camera, I can do whatever, Pablo, right? I can bake cookies and then, chats. La, 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 la. Bake and chats. Choo, 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 choo. Interesting. Yeah, for DNUT. Let me see if there's anything else I like here. Anything else that I like? Late at night, cookies warm. Really? Who bakes cookies at night and then delivers them warm? That is nice though. That sounds delicious. Sounds delicious. Tesla's a scam. Kidding. Kidding, kidding, kidding. Kidding. You're checking puts? Puts for what? For DNUT? Oh yeah, probably. Probably Justin. Yeah, CGC failed at the 200. Surprise! Not. Right, so $8.10. I know it broke above it, but still, right? Still. 200. KULR is trying to kind of bouncing. Reddit still looks okay, even though it's stalling at the double top. Like we said earlier, 69 is a problem. Right, Luna looks okay. All over the place. It needs to get back above $7. DJT looks meh. Revenue equals to their whole market cap and super sus. Yeah, these companies are all sus. Penny wants, pennies. Pennies. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have a cookie as soon as I get off. Uh, yeah, isn't that crazy? Yeah, see the Nilla. Yeah, Nilla. Let me see if I can pull up Nilla. Nilla is that company. Oh, CGC just CGC said, excuse me. Oh no, not CGC. Sorry, Kazoo. Oh my goodness, Kazoo's pumping. Dang, Kazoo. Kazoo. Kazoo's all over the place. Oh, that's the scary thing about it. Uh, what's the bottom of this? Look at that, 635. Oh my goodness. 635. Kazoo is pumping again. It's going. That's the thing, though, Joe. Like it's going back to the top of the range. Will it actually break this time? Will it actually break this time? Look at that, Kazoo, new highs. How the hell is that possible? Oh, 666. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 666. Yeah. Did you get back in, Nas, or you just took the money and said thank you? That's it. That's all. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's it. Thank you very much. Thank you. 666, 66, 66. Yeah, it's dipping a little bit there. Your stop loss? Okay. Yeah, you're back in the green now. Way in the green, so that's good. Way in the green. Way in the green. Do. 8 ball was like, suck it. Suck it kindly, sir. You don't get dipskis. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, the markets are just all over the place. All over the place. Do, 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 do. I was a fool getting a 75. Mm, you did buy very high though. That's quite high. Very high, Gary. Very, very high. Do, 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 do. Mm, interesting. Options destroyed your scalps. Yeah, as soon as they bring those options in there, Mark, it becomes a problem. Becomes a bit of an issue. Becomes an issue. Can you jump into Kazoo? I mean, at the highs of the day, the level to maybe jump in was like a FOMO on the breakout, right? Um, yeah, exactly, Justin. That would have been your level to jump in. So Not exactly. Not exactly okay there. Doo doo. Let's see. See where that candle closes actually. Doo 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 doo. Anyways, interesting level mark. Yeah, 70. Yeah, 70. Oh, finally broke out, Joe. Good job, Nas. Anyways, let me know if you have any last questions, guys. Let me know. Last questions, and then we're going to hop off and go back to Discord. Again, if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discords. Alrighty? And then we can hop off. We can hop off and go to Discord. Look at that, $7, Kazoo. Oof, $7. What a monster. What an absolute monster. There we go. An absolute monster. $7.10. Congratulations if you're holding that. Congratulations. Congratulations. I'm just fixing one of these things here and then get ready for some other stuff. Do, 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 do. Anyways, bye for now. Bye for now. Bye the dip. Well, come join us in Discord. Again, if you're not a member yet, click this link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot. If you do become a member, make sure you sign up for the right level. And if you do, just send me an email. Email at the top there, Hot Trades X, and I will send you an invite to join us in Discord. Alrighty. Other than that, be safe. Have a wonderful afternoon. We're going to be in Discord, obviously. Um, yeah, Joe, we can do a Discord stream later if you're down, and then go from there. Alrighty. Alrighty, all. Oh, Kazoo's on fire. Much love, Justin. Much love, Yi. Let's go. Let's go. Kazoo's on fire. My goodness. Sheesh. Nas, good job. Chat in Discord, Nas. You kidding me? How? You're down? Okay, sounds good. Enjoy the cookies. I will have some cookies. Alrighty, y'all. Hit the like on your way out. And see you guys later. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye.